So hi friends, welcome to my channel again. So today we are going to talk about again some basics of quality or quality management system. So in my earlier video I tried explaining definition of quality, how quality system is implemented, which are the basic tools, how organization get benefited from the quality system, which are the standard or certification are related to quality management systems. Today we are going to talk about something more about basics of quality. So quality management system, it ensures that organization is fit and effective. This is very important. It helps in ensuring that the particular organization is fit and effective, right? Now how it ensure that organization is fit and effective. So quality management system or quality management improves product and services, it improves systems and processes, it improves customer experience. This third point is very important, and I would say most important part, because customer experience is the most important part of success of any organization, any product, any service. So whatever we deliver, whatever product or service we deliver, using some systems and procedure, it should ensure that it always improves customer experience. Customer should feel delighted, customer should feel like great about the services or product which are being delivered through that organization, which is fit and effective. And at the same time, it ensured that organization always try to achieve the excellence, and it improves on the continuous basis. So this is what the basic, I would say requirement, or how the quality management system helps in help organization in remain fit and effective. Now if organization is fit and effective, it will definitely deliver a quality product. So if you really see that organization has to remain effective to deliver quality product. Now how an organization can deliver a quality product, that also through some, I would say, various systems which we put in place. So let's have a look at that also. If you see this diagram, it shows process, systems, tools. Then it has to have audit and inspection also in place. There should be some system of documentation management. If you see on the left hand side, leadership sponsorship, leadership support is very important, because any quality systems implementation requires top leaders support or management or sponsorship. Then only it will be top driven, and it will ensure that across the organization quality is being followed, to ensure that the product and services are being delivered of utmost quality, highest quality. Very important part is this stakeholder involvement and its management. All the stakeholders, be it your employees, be it your suppliers, your vendors, customer, all the stakeholders, we need to fulfill, we need to meet their requirement. With that, if you see below of this diagram, which shows knowledge management. Okay, knowledge management is very important. So whatever learnings are there, all these things have to be there in the organization, so that it can be used in future. Then metrics management is another part, and continuous improvement, as I mentioned, is very important, which helps organization to improve on the continuous basis, because we are talking about excellence, we are talking about continuous improvement, and organization will remain fit and effective if there is continuous improvement. That's why this particular system of knowledge management, metrics management, continuous improvement is very important. Now the another building block of any quality management system, as I mentioned in my earlier videos also, are some of the important certification which we have in place, so we should follow, like ISO, CMI, AS9100D, IATF 16949, along with some standard framework for the process improvement, right, which that could be Six Sigma improvement system or lean management or like that. Now let's have a holistic view of the complete quality management system. You can take a pic of this also, so that you understand the complete workflow, very basic workflow of the quality management system, how it helps organization in remaining fit or fit and effective, how it ensures that various framework